Hakukezukui plus setting sa hienchi tocha kamien paro sa yang ani chueko rocho asumnata. eSIM. I was able to use it smoothly and the communication speed is excellent. I am also very grateful for the low price. Got eSIM code instantly by email, very efficient. Internet speed is fast, no random disconnection. Fast activation, no SIM removal, super convenient. The connection speed and stability were excellent, making it easy to share photos and make video calls without issues. I was a bit nervous about the setup, but it turned out to be super straightforward, even for someone not overly techy like me. Switching carriers with eSIM is so easy. Just scan a QR code and you're connected instantly. Affordable Philippines eSIM, easy to activate. Decent for basic needs like messaging and checking emails. Cheap eSIM Philippines, easy to activate. Good enough for basic needs like texting, checking email. Okay, seriously, this eSIM is a vibe. So cheap, like, my wallet is thanking me. The connection? Chef's kiss. Best travel tech I've used recently. Instant connection. Quick and easy installation. No more tiny SIM cards. The price was also very budget-friendly for the amount of data we used as a family. It made our international trip so much more enjoyable and connected. We highly recommend it. Perfect for short trips. Affordable and easy to top up if needed. Works perfectly on my phone. No more lost SIMs, and I can switch carriers in seconds. This eSIM was a gem in the Philippines. The fast internet kept my travel plans on track. It's a fantastic option for any visitor. The eSIM for the Philippines worked wonders. I had solid 4G in Manila and Boracay, making it easy to share beach pics and stay in touch. Affordable and easy to set up, great for island hopping. I love how eSIM frees up space in my phone and still offers excellent network coverage.